Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Thumb English. I am Prathu Sharma with you, and you're watching News Flash. Former Union Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla has been appointed as Governor of Manipur amid ongoing ethnic clashes in the state. Kerala Governor Arif Mohammad Khan has been reassigned to Bihar, while Rajendra Vishwanath Arelkar is the new Governor of Kerala. India marks the 100th birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, celebrating his leadership and contributions to the governance. Born on December 25, 1924, Vajpayee was pivotal in shaping India's development. Maharashtra Transport Minister Pratap Sarnaik proposed a cable vehicle system in Mumbai to ease traffic congestion. He also announced plans for improved transport systems and concessions for senior citizens and women. 6 people were injured in a violent clash in Bhopal, Jahangirabad area involving stone pelting and weapons. Police intervened to control the situation, deploying a heavy force to maintain peace. A Bangladesh court freed Abdul Salam Pinto, a BNP member linked to terror financing and plotting of a grenade attack on Sheikh Hasina. He allegedly supported a banned terror group active in South Asia. Russia may block WhatsApp in 2025 if it refuses to cooperate with Russian security services. Officials claim the platform is being used by extremist groups and stress compliance with local laws. Indian intelligence sources link the Christmas market attack in Germany to broader terror trends in Europe, highlighting countries hosting wanted extremists under the guise of activism. Afghan staff of the defunct Indian consulate in Jalalabad were attacked by unidentified gunmen. No Indian staff were harmed, but the incident highlights lingering security concerns. The father of Atul Subhash, who committed suicide in Bengaluru, filed an FIR in Bihar seeking custody of his grandson. The case has been transferred to the Uttar Pradesh police for further investigation. 5 soldiers were killed and others were injured after their vehicle plunged into a gorge near the LOC in Jammu and Kashmir's Mendar. Rescue operations are ongoing. Actor Allu Arjun appeared before Hyderabad police over a stampede during a screening of Pushpa 2, which claimed 1 life and injured several others. New video evidence of the incident has emerged. The Kurdish-led SDF launched a counter-offensive against Ankara-backed forces near Syria's northern border. Clashes intensify as Syria grapples with the post-Assad political future. Ousted Bangladesh PM Sheikh Hasina sent Christmas greetings highlighting the persecution of minorities in the country. She called for communal harmony amidst growing divisions. Iran condemned Israel's admission of killing former Hamas chief Ismail Haniyeh, terming it a heinous crime. Iran retaliated its support for retaliation missile strike. Pakistani airstrikes in Afghanistan's Paktika province killed at least 15, including 1 woman and children, escalating humanitarian concerns in the conflict-hit region. So that's all for the headlines of the day. For more updates, download the app and keep watching this.